welcome to my channel SUMIT'S Indian scene. Look at the view. People rarely watching this. I won't show you. I am very excited to sharing with you, sir. My all friends. Look at this. Water collapse is here. Few hours ago, very heavy rainy. Listen this sound of water. It's amazing. Look at this. This nature scenario is very beautiful, looking very attractive. Look at this mountain. Look at this side also. This is village area, and this is village place like a farm. Village farms. I'm going to upstairs. Look at this side. Some waterfall side look like a waterfall. This side. I'm so sorry I'm not speaking English in very well, but I'm trying to do my best. I hope you all of understand me, my language. So look at this. It's rarely people watching this. So I think I have an idea about will I show people who not to be watching in their life. That's why I'm coming here and capturing these moments, that moments. So look at this side.